Hi, how you guys doing? I'm just on break now. So, if you don't see any, many you look como one of you can na Latin. Cause a video ni uno we o me mi okpa ni mia ni a we festival, which is a do festival. O me e ma everyone pa no ga mo microphone ya gun. So why I video ni say ona sunu ya shawo that man we wo be do working when na agbunu ya shawo ashawo Italy ashawo no Italy lare eku egbe mu we no jagbada we na tell ashawo. You are not ashamed of yourself. I just say me I can't do this video for you. Usunya nowhere ni ati no dere a festival wow. So emanu wa vi akin abe manu ma be ne no do awe MC le bani. And no MC ni you can't wa shawo and nobody no come and you know you guys were there a line. So if you guys wanna go why even when you go so I just say me I come out. Even some people even they parrot for that thing where you talk. I don't know where do work by a festival. A festival near with Italy. I'm near over. Near we Romy. I'm a near over. No matter where I want to Italy ni ba bola we gbe won yan. Imama no mwe microphone we e to ma gwase e boga azere bani. So only way to come away. So in a way le to go a nogi of Deutschland igbo. A nogi where that is when you church in where you Bible unisa. So no need to where you have me my ma block you where you ma block you where aga imo where me ladian ge we amu where that is just think as you want to walk. Think as you want to find paper for Deutschland when you walk. So I just come and do this short video for you. I'm hearing when you are talking about Meg, precious Meg, it block you. Why it block you? You not do anything. No, girl, you don't know. Say you do bad thing before you go settle with a pap. Now people that they behind you, you let them understand. Say I'm going there. So even though they don't let you go, you know. Say you don't already tell them. No. You are talk say, we are settled with him. No, we are settled with it. No, girl, who make sense? Even me no ma sick of myself. Me no ma sick of way. I'm ashamed of myself. Anyway, okay, you say because of MC. You don't go work. When me MC get, we no bear we no. MC, we no bear we no by back more. When we were live video, social media and stuff. Me prefer we are we funny thing. We are we funny thing. When me go by MC, but MC ari anyon no me would you get small start in brother on your pa. You go with small start. No gay, please. No ever mention another person's name. Don't come in out again. Just face your children. If na me be you for 4 months, I'm not going to enter live video. This shit when you do so. The more we make live video for 4 months. Say the more we make live video. You know, I'm very make we gonna make break. When man we come in need to tell you. He was we got jena. The money have on we sing na man. That's why now I come. May I show you where I'm working. Have you seen this big this tall story, this 20 stories. I'm working here. So no ever come out again. Don't ever. The more you self 1 month ulawa man I know your buy your is why because you can't set it when you're more you disgrace yourself, you see disgrace people no lelu here take we move where if we more be man no ga lelu where you understand me na where obo kan won pa ki set it kama won nínú awu o se ni na be na be rob you obo kan we kwere even that one even shame to you see and as yesterday that one never shame to come out. She the shame for you. No gay. Even when you talk, no time okay. Dimorphy. Una be asking, woman talk when I ballo you or tie. You are not ashamed of you are a baby. A no gay, you are a baby. Me, you come just come here to come and tell you say you are a baby. Me, I don't have this my 30 minutes break. I know if you use and take the talk. So that man when you talk say ashawo you are very stupid. Wani nowhere. Nene mi festival, me mi wa woni festival. Uwa ya gwaligo, cause ne romu, the festival ne romu. Iya mami ya go be ho. E mama you go la festival, na ke we festival be Rome, opene. Ifun ege no ba ma talk pe e. Ege no na be are Rome. All le ba e pe na kuri. Ama you go la we. Wari mwese London wa mami o wa ye wa bi we no say adogu wa gbana. Ru dana ta we ashawo no Italy. Even the man Italy ashawo no Italy. No wa uge. Ni ati eji nu wa uge. English festival wa oye zaga. Oye when no say adogu wa ashawo ninu suru jini. Festival wa uni uwaye mitamitawo. Uwaye mitamita. Only one not to wait meto jigi meto ya la God forbid. Ni mi aya jigi me like bo ni ha iri ege. Omo ne mi ra be je be Nigeria o ya ri e bai. O si oni re. Emi ya wa na rego ni ya wa na wa gwali go bi edo. Wa we human trafficking go fo. Wa gwale mi o we nu wa ya we human trafficking abo jagbo je ni aba o le buluku mẹ́jọ. Abo le. So wa na ge e boy ni no gun no mwe makrifo. Wari egie lu wage ya ofe nwa. Wari egie. Cause when I have festival, oh if you san areba, if you afema areba, if you obo areba, if you agbo areba, ya areba. Then imana aro, abe mwegbebe no wobo, mwegbebe no resan. Iye umami if you ro mi ni agbe, iya agbe ugbapone. Wa mami ugbapone mi garo. Imama no wawa, no wawa. A festival. If no say not to go work one, I say na mweru you because it ma gwalo. Oh, a nice message. Yes, mona emi te right there. He say people wey take a shower na God go punish you. Because me I forget people now. Some people call me. I even hear am. He tell my video. I even hear am when that boy they talk. I say now that one there's something you can't talk for there. You know if you speak Bini, you can't una do gbunu je igbaga bu enu gbe o wa gbon. So walk by a message in again. Mona let me share this video. Wa show it why because Italy mekere. Italy no bi no nebo meni. Ikere wa bo fia kulelu. Wa bo fia kulelu menu ya kawe. Ashawo ni wa hon ina wa de fun yo. Lelu wa izu ase wa mi ma no lelu wa. Unu e wo view na tamu wa no we wa te view e ba 24 bits. Wa view e ba we ala ikiemi kenebeki wa be mu ihobete tomato so beto uvie na ahia kene uvie e ba na ka ahia elu wa te we shame of few people see as he talking when wana en wa ri gbe agane wa gbe wa gbon nu wigi agba gbelu wa fian wa deva wa cause me ninu to tani e na do ansa we mu e merere we saga merere gun na ka we ashawo no ritali ajajadi. A video I will cut. You know why I don't bring and say me analyze them. I dey shame for myself. What bell? You know why you go man? So me like winner. Wanna share this video for me. Now that man when he wear like bata, when now he talk and if you now go look that video, that time when they talk MC before he go they speak to parts. Now that time the man speak that word come out from his mouth. Say ashawo okbeluwa. Usu wana calling ya we social media ni agbunu ya shawo gbunu ye ki agbunu juwe luwa gbe o ba gbon uwa mana ru enwa we gbi Italy o kan mi wa hun consider Italy wa ya ni rewe bona wa re la o consider na ba gbi ara na la Italy ama e bi wa ere yin we ka. Oh, good evening my beautiful, good evening, because these people they make me the paro. They make me mami gun when I wa hia gwa e mo ko gwa ugu abo na ya gbagbo festival wa wa ye saka imi ati ama no win keromike London do ma no win a festival na ero mo win ero mo ka wa hin ugwa unji na ri enedo ave iviedo ni reromi ugwa gele unji na ri enedo uwa gele ewe ara soredo edo odin edo ayere sogo ma edo yotu. So wani re UK na wani re UK uwa ya wa wani re Manchester cause wani re Manchester is so ma esu ato wa mi gani na mo e dia ni yesi ge ni abi wana e bo ni ga sebo me ni yenu kokomo one of you ke na mo la dia ma we no e tete sebo wana wa zedo edo ma wa lo wa mi ma ya solo jo o ila dona do ai ni I don't speak Benin very well. Who asked you to carry the microphone? Who asks you? Who permits yourself? If you know you are not speaking those, why are you taking why are you carry the microphone? Why are you speaking? Ona iga yin mi ma wala. Ama igwe kenana we Edo festival. Mama bere igwe. Owuwa wa interest owuwa wa o si ele so na tele yetina. Interest in wa ni ati ebiha eri okita go temege no mi go no na to iyan gwera me ebiha ma ya gwaluwa ebiha la gwaluwa wa aṣawo ma na gbopa wa ni wo awon ki gbanuwa wa ki ateme e ma gbon wa ateme aṣawo wa ki atenu pa wa ateme aṣawo okono rogo da aṣawo ono na aṣawo ave big man yan fún e festival ni iya fún festival wana you know wa roko wa me ngebe ni wa we ni ge audio wodo wa de tu wa ge mu camera yo du wa ge emi ni wa no ye no ge ma ba wa ya do ke ma ba o ye ge na we ukinoba na o we ukinoba na o eri o be ba be we ga egbedegbo teri ma mi ke la ye we ga no pe o gbido alo to ha ise sakun wa ri opo asawo ogbeluwa we mi o se na de to ku wa gbo owo fe ma na wo ma o fe ma na wo logbo wo fe luwa na te ma asawo ni o kiyan gbugwa epo ni no tie ni make nu kere asawo kiyan gbu e cause wa kiyan we comment asawo no ritali emi tali o kiyan gbeluwa wa sun we de no wa deva wa o iye egbe ni festival wa ma mi go wa ri oko e video na wa ya o ke nu emi o se na do we video na we me ka we ne una ta we aṣawo no ritali unu e wo na eti meje mi na sin na unu e wo na eti meje o sin we je nu kokomo we ma mi ege ni na te ma aṣawo no ritali na we wa han imi le no we na we I will come and use this 30 minutes to say it to you guys wa me ehwe mo na go bath igo nu wa ro be ka te bo kiana aṣawo kun okun da aṣawo ma na kun ọmọ na won to ami to ya ko won deti me ni je nu kokomo ma ritali me ma na be bo ale be me ya ati ma mi ami go ni mi aya la ho mi a to ya ga sawo ni ki wari oko wari o ma ni eyan pupa je me ge ya la isi wuna. Let me show you guys my working place. You guys go and work wa do arego no rewebo wa ya nwina je ni ma wa bege e ma na o ke won bege wa do arega be poveri no no rewebo wa yo bo ave lazy youth. Okay, I'm going to see you guys. Love you. Bye. I hope I not forget. So I just come up because of this thing. I say I must come out. I just come in. You know where I come down now? 20 stories. Just look at the place. 20 stories. Now boy. Emana one winner. Idiota. Emi gbi aga o kan agbeluwa. O kan asiwa ye ni. Iyan pupa yan go mege. Ya lawo e wusin. Baba ba wa fi ogwe ya jinu na gwe wa ko. So maybe in the afternoon I will meet. God bless you. I love you guys. Bye. See you.
'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around.